5 money rules they don't teach you in school. Remember those high school classes? Math, history, English. We spent years memorizing the dates of Civil War battles and solving for X. But not once did anyone teach us what a 401k is, how compound interest actually works, or why the IRS isn't something to be scared of if you plan right. The school system was designed to create good employees, not financially free individuals. It teaches you how to work for money, but never how to make money work for you. Today, we're fixing that. Here are 5 ironclad rules of money that every wealthy person knows, but your teacher probably never mentioned. Let's get into it. Rule number 1, pay yourself first. Rule number 1 is deceptively simple. Pay yourself first. Here's what I mean. Payday hits. The money lands in your account. What's the first thing most people do? They pay the landlord, they pay the credit card company, they buy groceries, they grab dinner with friends. And if there's anything left at the end of the month, maybe they'll save it. 9 times out of 10, there's nothing left. High net worth individuals flip the script. The moment money hits their account, the very first transaction isn't to a bill collector, it's to themselves. They immediately take a minimum of 10% of their income and move it into a savings or investment account. It's non-negotiable. Why don't they teach this in school? Because the consumer economy runs on you spending every last dollar. It's pure math. Saving 10% on a $50,000 salary is only $5,000 a year. Doesn't sound like much, right? But over time, it's not just about the money, it's about building the muscle of discipline. That 10% becomes your freedom fund. It's the difference between being trapped in a job you hate and having the power to walk away. Rule number 2, assets versus liabilities. Rule number 2 comes straight from Robert Kiyosaki's Rich Dad, Poor Dad. You need to permanently understand the difference between an asset and a liability. It sounds complicated, but it's the simplest thing in the world. An asset puts money in your pocket. A liability takes money out of your pocket. Is your car an asset? If you're an Uber driver using it to make money, yes. If you're a salaried employee who financed a brand new BMW with a high interest loan and you pay for insurance, gas, and maintenance, that's a liability, even if it looks cool in the driveway. Is your house an asset? Only if you're renting it out. If you live in it, pay the mortgage, property taxes, and HOA fees, it's a liability until it's paid off. School tells you to chase liabilities. Get a good job so you can buy a nice house and a nice car. But the path to wealth is the exact opposite. It's buying assets, stocks, bonds, rental properties, businesses. When your assets generate enough income to cover your liabilities, you've won the game. Rule number 3, don't work for money. Make money work. Rule 3 is the core of the wealthy mindset. Stop trading your time for dollars. There are only 24 hours in a day. If you're trading time for money, your income has a hard ceiling. Look at this graph. Show linear versus exponential graph. Saving cash under your mattress grows linearly. It's slow. But compound interest? That's exponential. It's your money earning money, and then that money earning even more money. Albert Einstein reportedly called it the 8th wonder of the world. He who understands it, earns it. He who doesn't, pays it. The American example. Let's say at 22, right out of college, you start putting just $200 a month into an S&P 500 index fund through Vanguard or Fidelity. Historically, the market averages about 10% before inflation. By the time you're 60, you're looking at over $700,000. If you wait until you're 32 to start, you're looking at around $250,000. That 10-year delay costs you $500,000. School teaches you to get a paycheck. It doesn't teach you that the stock market, over the long term, is the greatest wealth-building machine ever created. Rule number 4, master your emotions. Rule 4 is the toughest one, the 24-hour rule. Our brains are wired for instant gratification. When you see the new iPhone drop, or those Jordans you've been wanting, or a flash sale on your favorite app, your brain dumps dopamine. you get a high. Marketers call this creating urgency. Buy now, limited stock. They want you to bypass logic. School doesn't teach you how to defend yourself against a multi-billion-dollar advertising industry. The fix? Implement the 24-hour or even 72-hour rule. If you want to buy something that's not a necessity, anything over, say, $100, you wait one full day. Sleep on it. In 24 hours, that dopamine rush fades, and in 80% of cases, you'll realize you never actually wanted the thing, you just wanted the feeling of buying it. The middle class spends money to look rich. The wealthy invest money to become rich. It's emotional intelligence applied to your wallet. Rule number 5, know your numbers. And finally, rule number 5, the one that people who are bad with money hate the most: track everything. Wall Street tracks every single penny. Your favorite NFL team tracks every stat. You cannot improve what you do not measure. Start tracking your expenses. Use an app like Mint, YNEB, or just as a simple spreadsheet. For 1 month, write down every single coffee, every takeout meal, every subscription. I promise you, the results will be shocking. You'll probably find that 20 to 30% of your income is leaking out on things you don't even remember buying. That's $500, $600, sometimes $1,000 a month just gone. School doesn't teach you to create a personal profit and loss statement. But when you see the data, you take back control. You can cut the waste and redirect that cash into the assets we talked about in Rule 1. Budgeting isn't about restricting yourself. It's about giving every dollar a job so you can spend guilt-free on the things that actually matter to you. So, to recap the 5 rules they don't teach you in school. 1. Pay yourself first. 2. Know the difference. 3. Harness compound interest. 4. Use the 24-hour rule. 5. Track your numbers. School was designed for the industrial age. But we live in the information age, and financial literacy is the superpower you need to thrive. Let me know in the comments which of these rules is the hardest for you to stick to. And if you want to take control of your financial future, hit that subscribe button. I'll see you in the next video.